The following is a brief video education training on how to copy information from a PDF file into Genesis. The reason for this training was one of our members made the request because he received a very large PDF change order from his contractor. Ideally, you want to ask your contractors to key their change order information directly into the change order portal in Genesis. But should they not do that, you can, using Adobe Reader DC, copy the information, and I'll show that here. First of all, you need to have Adobe Acrobat Pro. That is the paid version, and it can be as low as $9 a month. It's a very valuable tool, not just for copying from PDF into other files, but because this is the program that I use most effectively for inserting signatures and sending and tracking a form for a signature. For example, a completed draw request, change order files. I scan them back in, I insert a signature line, and then I can send them through this system through their own website that actually tracks the emails, sends it, and then notifies people when it does come time to get the signatures. We've explained this in previous coaching calls, and I will be creating a training on it. But in this circumstance, you have two ways that you can do this. One is, especially if you have a change order like this that is very large and rather cumbersome, you can basically, using the tools of Adobe Acrobat Pro, you can hit the option that says Edit PDF. You hit the Edit PDF button, and then as you can see, what it does, it will take each of the sections and turn it into individual text items. So I'm just going to, now this is again a situation where if you have a larger file, you're going to have, now this you can see where the word difference in interior doors, the words, the IFF is missing. You can actually type it in here so that you can do it. So you can see I'm just adding the text in there. It's a little rough looking because it's, you know, there I can move it back, and there you can see, so I can type in now, and I Okay, so now I took the section. As you can see, I'm going to highlight it, hit the right mouse key, hit copy, go to Genesis, and there in my change order field, I'm going to hit the right mouse key again and hit paste, and there the words appear. Tools button, and go into export, and you can export the entire document into a Microsoft Word. And there you can just take all the text and then move it into your Genesis file. So here I'm going to save this to the desktop. Just call it test change. So that's going to process this file. And so now it's opening up Microsoft Word, and it will now create this file into a Word document. While this is doing that, may I please remind you that this training will shortly be uploaded as an opportunity to view in Inline Manual, and any support that you need usually can be found either in the Inline Manual or in the help text that's available in Genesis at any time. So now I'm going to go back, and here you can see the help text. Now I'm going to go back to that project in Genesis, and while that's loading up, you can see now this is in a Word document. So now I can actually edit the text or change it, or I can simply take the entire text here Oops, I didn't do that right. Hang on. I'm going to take the entire text, including the totals, and copy and go to my change order. And here, again, just a brief review, you have to pick a category. And then I'm going to hit the right mouse key again and paste as plain text. Puts it all in there. And there you can see it's all there.